Hey, how you doing? This is the Duke of 3D printing. I'm gonna try to resurrect my channel here. It's been a while. Had to get some things done, some medical needs. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to get this going again. I want to bring up something just simple here that's been bugging me for a long time. This is something that it's not a big deal, but it's something that I roll my eyes over every time I freaking see this. So this isn't a brand, is this brand new? I haven't opened this. Here's some filament from Oligo. And there's only one filament company I know of that's doing this right. Everybody else is screwing this up. So technically, the way you're supposed to be able to open this is there's this little notch here. I don't know if you can see this, but this little notch, you're supposed to be able to tear it. Well, they always stick the filament in on the side you're supposed to open. This is the easiest side to open, but you know, I can't easily tear that with, so you know, everybody screws this up. So there's a Oligo. Here's one from Bamboo Lab. Here's some PLA matte. Let's get this out here. And see, this is not the side that I should be opening from. I should be opening it from this side. Here's the little tear thing, but you know, I can do it. You know, you'd have to tear a little bit and then open up the bag and then scoot the filament all the way down to the other side and then continue tearing it. So, God damn it, pisses me off. So, I got some filament from Polymaker the other day. So, check this out. Here's Polymakers. And it's the same thing, okay? Here's the side you're supposed to open. In fact, they even have a little cut line here you're supposed to open it with. And look on this side, look. Do not open from this side. They have it marked on here. Don't open from, what? Well, then stick the filament over here if you're gonna do that. Ah, it just irks me. There's only one company who's actually doing it right. And it's a company that I never buy filament from, Prusa. So I only get free filament from them. I got to pay shipping, but I get free filament from, you know, just sticking stuff online. Look, see, theirs is down on the side, and I open it from this end, and they even give us a nice little seal, you know, to seal the thing back up, which is really cool. Thank you, Prusa. You're the only people that's doing this right. I'm going to have a ramp on the bamboo stuff coming up. So I'm probably never going to monetize. I don't care. So click subscribe, click the bell icon, leave a comment, or don't. I don't care. Do whatever you want. This is Duke of 3D Printing saying if you can't be good, be bad, baby. Bye.